In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make map designs in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a Google Maps view into your project and size it so it looks clean, readable, and on brand. Start by opening your design in Canva. Have the project you want to enhance already on the canvas in the main editor. You should see your page in the center and the left-hand sidebar with tools and features. That sidebar is important because that's where we'll find the map option. In the editor, go to Apps. Click Apps in the left panel, then use the search bar at the top to type Google Maps. Choose the Google Maps option that appears. You'll see a simple search field. Enter the location you need. This can be a city, a full street address, a landmark, or a neighborhood. For best results, be specific. Adding the state, region, or country helps disambiguate places with similar names. Check the preview so you are certain it's the location you want. When it looks right, click to add it to your design. Canva will place the map onto your canvas as an image element that behaves like any other photo or graphic. Now adjust it by dragging the corners. Use the corner handles to scale the map proportionally. This keeps the aspect ratio intact, so streets don't look stretched or squished. As you resize, think about legibility. If you want people to read street names or recognize shapes easily, make the map large enough for those details to be clear. If the map is more decorative, reduce it just enough to support your headline or imagery without overpowering them. Leave comfortable breathing room around the edges of your page so key details. Don't sit too close to the trim or the frame of your layout. Canva's smart guides will appear as you drag, helping you keep things aligned with existing elements. If the map ever looks a bit soft, pulling it down slightly in size can sharpen the appearance. And remember, you can always undo if you go too far. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.